Hi friends, welcome back to Learn from Scratch. Today we are going to solve few different type of problems on time and work. Here is the first question. In a computer game there are builders and destroyers. Together there are 20 of them. Some of them try to build a wall around a castle, while the rest try to demolish it. Each of the builders can build the wall alone in 15 hours, while any of the destroyers can demolish it in 10 hours. If all 20 builders and destroyers are made active when there is no wall and the wall gets built in 3 hours, how many of them are destroyers? Here we have to find the number of destroyers among those 20. Here each builder can build a wall in 15 hours. Then the work done by each builder in 1 hour is equals to 1 by 15. In the similar way here, work done by each destroyer in 1 hour is equals to 1 by 10. Let us assume that the number of destroyers be y. Then automatically the number of builders will be 20 minus y. Here the wall gets built in 3 hours. Then the work done by builders in 3 hours minus work done by destroyers in 3 hours is equals to 1, as here the builders are building and destroyers are destroying. So here the wall is built in 3 hours. By substituting here 3, here 3 is 3 hours into 1 by 15. 1 by 15 is the work done by each builder in 1 hour into 20 minus 5. Here 20 minus 5 is the number of builders minus 3. 3 is number of 3 hours into 1 by 10. 1 by 10 is the work done by each destroyer in 1 hour into y. Y is the number of destroyer is equals to 1. By solving this equation, we'll get the value of y. Here y is equals to 6. Then the number of destroyers is 6. Here some carpenters promised to do a job in 15 days, but 3 of them were absent and remaining did the job in 20 days. What was the original number of carpenters? Here let us assume that y be the number of carpenters. Here these carpenters can do the job in 15 days. Then the work done by y number of carpenters in 1 day is 1 by 15. Then the work done by one carpenter in 1 day is 1 by 15y. Here in the second case, 3 of them are not working, so did the job in 20 days. Then the work done by the carpenters in 1 day is 1 by 20 in the second case. Then here y minus 3. Y minus 3 is the number of carpenters in the second case into 1 by 15y. 1 by 15y is the work done by one carpenter in 1 day is equals to 1 by 20. 1 by 20 is the work done by them in 1 day. By solving this equation, we will get the value of y. Y is equals to 12. Then the original number of carpenters is equals to 12. Here, A can do 75% of a job in 18 days and B can do 25% of the job in 12 days. If they work together, in how many days can they do 75% of the job? Here, work done by A in 18 days is 75%. Here 75% means 75 by 100, which is equals to 3 by 4. Then the work done by A in 1 day is 3 by 4 by 18 is equals to 1 by 24. And here work done by B in 12 days is 25%. Here 25% is equals to 25 by 100, which is equals to 1 by 4. Then the work done by B in 1 day will be 1 by 48. Here A and B are working together. Then the work done by A and B together in 1 day is 1 by 24 plus 1 by 48. That is equals to 1 by 16. Then let us assume that y be the number of required days. Then y into 1 by 16. 1 by 16 is the work done by A and B together in 1 day is equals to 75% of the work done. Here in the question they do the 75% of the work. Here y is number of days that is time. 1 by 16 is the efficiency, is equals to 75%. Here it is the work. 75% is equals to 75 by 100, or that is equals to 3 by 4. Here by solving the equation we will get the value of y. Y is equals to 12. Then here 75% of the job can be completed in 12 days by them together. Here, when A does work alone, he takes 16 days more than time taken by A and B working together. B alone takes 4 days more than time taken by A and B working together. In what time A and B together finish the work? For this question, we have a formula, that is the number of days by A and B together finish work is equals to under root of extra time taken by A into extra time taken by B. Here that is equals to under root of extra taken by A is 16 into extra time taken by B is 4. That is under root of 16 into 4, that is equals to under root of 16 4, that is equals to 8. Here A and B together can finish the work in 8 days.